Hey, this is Darren Eccles, and I am about to do my last and final science activity for this class. Um, as you see here, oh, and it's the bubble wand science activity. Here, my setup, I have my bubbles, I have my pipe cleaners, my plate for my solution, the wand from the bubbles, the wands that I made from pipe cleaner, and one that I made from a wire. But the first thing that I want to talk about is um, negotiating different communities within your classroom. And when you're doing this type of science activity is a great way to begin that negotiation. It's a way to introduce all the students, regardless of their backgrounds, their cultures, their languages, what have you, to science in a very fun way. All kids love bubbles, no matter where they come from. So this is a activity, a discovery activity, because you're now introducing them to the scientific method of the scientific method rather. And so you basically, it's discovery. They're figuring out what shapes come when you blow bubbles, the shapes. When you make your own wands, will it blow bubbles? If they do, what shape will they be? So we're going to go ahead and get started. So the first one I'm going to use is the wand from the container. As you see, there are several bubbles, different sizes and colors, very pretty. Now we're going to try one of my man-made ones, my wands that I made. It's the triangle. It didn't blow anything. No bubbles came out. Now I'm going to try the square. Same thing. It formed, but then it popped before it did anything. Now I'm going to try one made from wire. And this is my own special shape or swirly, what have you. So let's see if it works. It did. It blew very small bubbles from the center, but nevertheless, it did blow bubbles. So what does that say? Yes, you can make your own wands, but I think the material affects it. I don't think the shape really matters, but I think because we use this pipe cleaner, it has a felt on it. I think it absorbed the liquid, because had it just been the wire by itself, it probably would have worked. But the felt around the wire basically just sucks it up, and it doesn't allow the consistency of the solution to stay together in order to make the bubble. So there you have it with this experiment. But again, just negotiating those communities and finding ways to just bring everyone in together. That's what we're trying to do when we create our classroom science culture. We're trying to introduce them to the scientific method and how to explain scientific results, and hopefully that's something that they'll take home with them and use outside of the classroom. So again, thank you very much.